Peace is often defined as freedom from disturbance, a state of calm, a sense of inner quiet. But real peace is more than the absence of noise. Real peace is the presence of resolution. It is what becomes possible after truth has been spoken, after wounds have been acknowledged, after the hard work of repair has been done. Peace is not the starting point. Peace is the outcome. You cannot skip the war and still claim the victory. You cannot avoid the conflict and still call what you feel peace. Because peace holds meaning only after you've gone through something, worked through something, faced something. Without the war, you're not experiencing peace. You're just experiencing a silencing or distancing. And quiet can feel comforting, but quiet is not healing. Quiet is simply the absence of sound. This matters now more than ever, because in today's relationships, avoidance has become a lifestyle. People are cutting others off and calling it peace. People are withdrawing, shutting down, disappearing, and naming it, protecting my energy. But avoidance doesn't resolve the conflict. It only removes the noise. Distance doesn't create the safety one hopes for. It only creates space for the wound to deepen in silence, to fester. Some people are overwhelmed. Some are overstimulated. Some never learned how to communicate their needs, set boundaries, or stay present in hard conversations. So walking away feels easier than working it through. But avoidance is not peace. Avoidance is a pause. Avoidance is a numbing. Avoidance is a survival strategy, not a healing one. The conflict still exists. The story still lives in your body. The wound still shapes the relationship. Quiet can calm your nervous system, but it cannot restore your connection, because connection is where healing actually happens. But when people don't know how to repair, they tend to re-engage and just loop. They circle the same wounds, repeat the same patterns, and attempt to avoid the very conversations, conflict, or war that could set them free. So, what does real peace require? Real peace requires presence. It requires honesty. It requires boundaries that are spoken, not implied. It requires emotional regulation, accountability, repair, and the courage to stay long enough to understand what is actually happening. Real peace is built, not declared. So before you call something peace, ask yourself, did I resolve it, or did I retreat from it? Because silence may feel soothing, but peace is what you feel when the truth has finally been tended to. And the good news is this: peace is possible. Peace is teachable. Peace is buildable. It begins with learning to communicate your needs. It grows through healthy boundaries. It strengthens through emotional honesty. And it becomes sustainable when both people commit to repair instead of retreat. Peace is not what you get from walking away. Peace is what you build when you stay long enough to tell the truth. And sometimes it requires staying in battle long enough to reach the breakthrough.